It's a 2011 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, selective service internet access, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, metallic paint, adaptive suspension, and manual transmission. From new car test drive, we found the Regal very quiet, with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Buick. Expect more than you'd imagine. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.